Hey guys, today we're lining up two very different automation champions for a head-to-head battle. TINY Task versus AutoHotkey, the ultra-light click-and-go recorder versus the powerful code-driven automation giant. Whether you're automating repetitive tasks, speeding up your workflow, or creating complex custom scripts, this matchup comes down to instant simplicity versus limitless control. Let's see which one earns your trust. Cinetas charges into the spotlight as a minimalist automation tool built for pure speed and ease. It's just a few hundred kilobytes, installs instantly, and lets you record your exact keystrokes and mouse clicks, then replay them flawlessly with a single hotkey. No coding, no setup headaches, just hit record, perform your task, and hit stop. Tiny Task is perfect for quick fixes like filling out forms, repetitive file management, or running daily processes in seconds. The trade-off? It's not built for complex logic, branching conditions, or large-scale automation. It simply repeats what you recorded. But for those who value speed, simplicity, and zero learning curve, TinyTask is a time saver in your pocket. AutoHotkey, meanwhile, takes a completely different approach. It's a script-based automation powerhouse for people who want full control. It lets you write custom scripts that can automate almost anything, launching programs, manipulating files, filling forms, remapping keys, or even creating your own mini apps. It's insanely powerful, supports complex logic, loops, and conditions, and has a huge community with ready-to-use scripts. The trade-off? There's a learning curve. You'll need to learn some scripting basics to unlock its full potential. But once you do, AutoHotkey can handle automation tasks on a scale TinyTask could never touch. Now, what's the bottom line? If you want quick, no fuss automation for simple, repetitive tasks, TinyTask wins with its speed and ease. But if you need full-blown, customizable automation that can adapt to any workflow, AutoHotkey is the heavyweight champion. The winner here depends entirely on whether you want instant convenience or unlimited power. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.